Y'all, tell me this wig is not everything and a half. What? Curly edge wig? Glueless? This is the most natural wig ever. And it's glueless. Glueless, I tell you. Glueless. All the links and details will be left in my description box just in case you guys are interested. So this is like a little kinky curly wig with 4C edges. We're about to see what this wig is about. Now I'm not sure if you can wear this glueless, but it says it's a 7x5 lace and it's byebyeknots lace wig. It's 24 inches. And yeah, it also came with, it came with some nice false nails. It also came with a wig cap and it came with a elastic headband. They also sent over an extra headband and an extra wig cap. And we are going to need this because this is what's going to make the wig glueless. Although I don't think that the way it's fitting, because I did try this wig on, I don't think that I'm going to be able to, me personally, I'm going to be able to wear it glueless. Now, if you can, that will be like A1. But, so we're just going to hop straight into this wig. Now, this is what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. And like I said, it is a kinky curly texture, which is really pretty. And this is what the hairline looks like. And like I said, it is like a 4C, I think they call it 4C edges. 7x5 lace is basically, is it? I think it's 7 inches going across, like where the hairline is, and then 5 inches going back, or vice versa. But I'm pretty sure it's the 7 and then the 5 inches going straight back. So here we have the construction. It has no comb. So if you're not a fan of combs, then this is the wig for you because it has no combs in the front. It does come with a comb in the back with the grippy part, so your wig does not slide, and it also comes with the adjustable straps. And this is where this little piece comes into play. This is the little grip adjustable elastic band that you can remove or add just in case you wanted to wear this wig glueless. So this is the part that you will put it in, and then the lace is, the knots are already bleached. The hairline is already pre-plucked, as you can see. And what else was I about to say? Oh, and the lace is already cut off. We're about to try her on. It is 24 inches, but it doesn't look like it because it's a kinky curly texture. But yeah, we're about to see what this wig hitting for. So I'm gonna go ahead and try her on before I add the elastic strap to it. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. Here you can see, oh, it's pre-plucked very well. I love the pre-pluckage. You can kind of see my black stocking cap, and that's the curly edges. But they definitely, they did their thing when it came to pre-plucking this wig. So I do appreciate it. The curls are already like, look at it, y'all. This might be a wig you can possibly put on and go depending on how it fits on your head. I have a pretty small head, so I'm not sure the exact cap size. Do I have it on here? Yeah, I'm not sure the exact cap size, and I don't know how it's going to fit once I put the elastic band on here, because wait a minute now. I actually think that I might can wear this glueless, y'all. Let me see. But see how this is like it's not on, but the wig itself is very tight. All right, so let's finesse, because I don't want this lace all the way on my forehead. But you see, like right here, this lace is in the correct spot. So hopefully I do not screw this up, because I still want some of these edges. All right, I think I'm actually loving what I did. Okay, me. So I'm gonna go in with that just to kind of set everything in place. And hopefully when I wrap this and let it set, that is not freaking gonna move. This on. Here we go, y'all. Please, because I do not want to glue this down. I want all of these wigs that I'm showing y'all, I just want to wear them glueless. Who wants to go through all of that? All right, I think that this is pretty much set. So let's see. Do y'all see that? Oh my god. So it looks like I can wear this wig glueless. Thank you, because I really did not. Alright. And yes, it's very much glueless. Like, y'all see that? Oh my god. Okay. So I think I'm gonna leave them kind of like, oh. So I'm gonna do the other side. And then I think that I'm gonna put my elastic band on again, just to kind of like make sure they set in place. Do y'all see this? Y'all, I'm freaking in love. Like, I'm in love. Glueless, okay? Glueless.
Yo.